Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to iMethod Beauty for sending me over this polygel kit, and it includes 2 colors and some other goodies as well, and only for the price of $14.99 plus a 10% off discount code that I will have linked down below in the description box along with on the screen. So it is absolutely a great deal, and you guys will see here what I end up creating. I did want to incorporate something different, like using a dual form that it included. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos using dual forms, because it definitely is an easier way to achieve beautiful polygel nails. And I love how you can always go back and fix any imperfections as well. So as I'm showing you everything that it includes, I love how it's also 30 milliliters each polygel. That means you definitely get a bang for your buck. So here are some items that I'm going to be using, and by the way, head over to Shein and check out their beautiful nail art for an affordable price. If you're interested, I always mention them, and I do have a lot of hauls on them as well. And this flower gel I did receive, not that I received it wasn't for free, I did pay for it, but I did purchase it through AliExpress, and they're absolutely stunning. I also have a nail haul showing them as well. So here I'm just sizing and reshaping them to the size of my nail bed, and that is what I'm doing here. I always like to go a size larger if possible, just for when I go back I don't have to do so much tweaking to the nails with adding a little bit more polygel, which I do show you guys how I do that as well. So I decided to just use the clear because I wanted to encapsulate all these goodies that I have here that I showed you, and I just thought that it was a good idea, and I'm so happy I did so because it definitely turned out really nice. So I am using some base coat gel as a slip solution for today's tutorial, so that is what I'm doing here. And then I'm just gonna go and apply the clear polygel all throughout the nail. I did do a longer length just because that is how I wanted it, but you could do whatever length you desire. So remember, just use a thin layer. You don't really need that much, but at the same time you don't want the nail to be so weak either. So over time you just learn what works best for you. So that is what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to go ahead and add all my little glitters and my dried flowers along with my foil. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about these nails. I really liked them. I thought they were really pretty, and I just love the incorporation of the foil with the butterflies and the dried flowers. So remember to place the nail onto your nail bed, and if you have any spillage you could always clean it up before curing. And also, I always find that the thumb is the most difficult to do for some reason, because it's the one that I had to do the most adjustments to. It wasn't a big deal, but I always feel like it's always the thumb. So here I'm just grabbing some polygel with some base coat again, and I'm just fixing the imperfections, and it's really easy to work with. I really like this polygel. It wasn't hard to work with at all, in the sense that, as you guys can see, I literally just applied the polygel and it just aligned really well with what I already had. So it was nice. I really enjoyed it. I really had no complaints about it. It's not like the clearest clear, but it's good enough, and I really loved how it turned out in the end. And I definitely will be doing another video in the future with the other polygel color that it included. It looks very pretty. And I just realized I never did swatches for these, so I apologize for that. Sometimes I forget, or maybe I just, no, I did forget. Yeah, I forgot, so I apologize for that. So this is what the second nail looks like, and I'm just placing it on and going ahead and curing it for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like after it came out of the lamp. I think it looks really nice, and it's actually pretty clear. So yeah, and remember, if you guys want your nails to last, to prep the nails beforehand, meaning remove the shine from the remove the shine from the nail bed, then apply a dehydrator, or you can use some alcohol, or you can actually create your own dehydrator by putting 50% alcohol and 50% acetone and mixing that together. Then you can go ahead and apply your primer. And remember, with primer, it is trial and error. Some will work for you, some won't. But once you get down your prep, you will definitely not have any lifting, and you will see how long your nails last. So just keep that in mind. And before applying the dual form, you would apply a base coat and cure it to protect the nails. I didn't do any of that. I just directly applied them onto the nails, which is not a good thing if you want your nails to last. So just keep that in mind. I just did that for video purposes. It literally just popped right off. Not that it popped right off, but I just took them right off after the video since I am constantly filming. So yep, now we're on to the pinky nail, and that is it. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. So these are what the nails look like after I am done with them. And next, I'm just grabbing some alcohol along with a lint-free wipe and just removing that tacky layer, and then I'm gonna go in with shaping and filing and buffing the nails. So I decided to add an extra touch to the nails, and I decided I wanted to use this Enailcouture glitter top coat, and it was the best thing that I could have ever done because this top coat is so beautiful and it just added so much more depth to these nails. As you guys can see here, I just absolutely love how they turned out. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They're not perfect shaped. I am aware that it doesn't look the best shape wise, but I will get better over time. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are now coming to an end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Till next time.